गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो, हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो। गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो, हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो। गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो, हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो। गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो, ओंकाराय नमो नमो। गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो, ओंकाराय नमो नमो। जगदीश्वराय नमो नमो, गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो। जगदीश्वराय नमो नमो, गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो। गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो।
नित्य निरंतर अंतर्यामी, हृदय विराजे मेरे स्वामी।
आनंद रूपा नमो नमो, त्रिगुणातीता नमो नमो। आनंद रूपा नमो नमो, गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो। हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो, गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो। हे परमेश्वर भावातीता भाग्य विदाता भवभयहरणा नमो नमो। भावातीता भाग्य विधाता भवभयहरणा नमो नमो। त्रिलोकनाथा नमो नमो, चिन्मय रूपा नमो नमो। त्रिलोकनाथा नमो नमो, चिन्मय रूपा नमो नमो। गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो, हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो। गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो, हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो। हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो। सहना भवतु, सहनौ भुनक्तु, सह वीर्यं करवावहै। तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी। विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः। गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं। सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्।
Hari Om. Wish you all a very happy Guru Purnima. Gives me immense joy to welcome everyone to this most auspicious celebration. To understand the importance of Guru Purnima, we need to take a small journey back in history. We have many different knowledge systems which have originated in this land. Intellectual and intuitive knowledge. But there is one knowledge which is above both of them, which is self-knowledge. It gives us the ability to go within ourselves and reach the depths of our personality to find all the potential which is hidden within us. And we have had so many people, institutions, and individuals who have selflessly dedicated themselves to the protection of this knowledge over the course of history. We sometimes don't realize, living in this country, that we have walking embodiments of this immortal tradition amongst us, who can trace their knowledge lineage back to 10,000 years. So this is the greatness of Sanatan Dharma. And today on Guru Purnima, we celebrate this tradition of knowledge. And what better day to celebrate Guru Purnima than on Bhagwan Vedavyas Ji's Jayanti. Bhagwan Vedavyas Ji was one single embodiment of all the qualities which has been praised in this tradition of knowledge. So we are very happy once again to welcome all of you for this celebration, and we will begin with Vedavyas Ji's Aarti. Hari Om.
ॐ राजाधिराजाय प्रसय्य साहिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कूर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः ॐ न कर्मणा न प्रजया धनेन त्यागेनैके अमृतत्वमानशुः परेण नाकं निहितं गुहायां विभ्राजदेद्यत्यतयो विशन्ति वेदान्तविज्ञानसुनिश्चितार्था सन्न्यासयोगत् यतयः शुद्धसद्वाः ते ब्रह्मलोके तु परान्तकाले परामृतात् परिमुच्यन्ति सर्वे दहरं विपापं परमेश्मभूतं यत्पुण्डरीकं पुरमध्यसग्घस्थं तत्रापि दहनं गगनं विशोकस्तस्मिन् यदन्तस्तदुपासितव्यं यो वेदादौ स्वरप्रोक्तो वेदान्ते च प्रतिष्ठितः तस्य प्रकृतिलीनः स यः परः स महेश्वरः ॐ न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति। बोलिए श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
गुरु के समान नाही दूसरा जहां में, गुरु ब्रह्म रूप जानो शिव का स्वरूप मानो, गुरु ब्रह्म रूप जानो शिव का स्वरूप मानो, गुरु के समान नाही दूसरा जहां में, गुरु के समान नाही दूसरा जहां में, गुरु ब्रह्म रूप जानो शिव का स्वरूप मानो, गुरु ब्रह्म रूप जानो शिव का स्वरूप मानो। पाप से बचावे गुरु ज्ञान को सिखावे गुरु, पाप से बचावे गुरु ज्ञान को सिखावे गुरु, ब्रह्म से मिलावे गुरु तुर्य पद ध्यान में, ब्रह्म से मिलावे गुरु तुर्य पद ध्यान में, गुरु ब्रह्म रूप जानो शिव का स्वरूप मानो, गुरु ब्रह्म रूप जानो शिव का स्वरूप मानो। यह श्रुति वेद कहता गुरु बिना ज्ञान कैसा, यह श्रुति वेद कहता गुरु बिना ज्ञान कैसा, ज्ञान बिना मुक्ति कैसे आवे तेरे ध्यान में, ज्ञान बिना मुक्ति कैसे आवे तेरे ध्यान में, गुरु शिव का स्वरूप मानो। छल कपट त्याग दीजे, गुरु जी की सेवा कीजे। छल कपट त्याग दीजे, गुरु जी की सेवा कीजे। छल कपट त्याग दीजे, छल कपट त्याग दीजे। छल कपट त्याग दीजे, छल कपट त्याग दीजे। गुरु जी की सेवा कीजे, सद्गुरु की शरणन लीजे। खेलिए मैदान में, सद्गुरु की शरण लीजे। खेलिए मैदान में, गुरु ब्रह्म रूप जानो, शिव का स्वरूप मानो। गुरु ब्रह्म रूप जानो, शिव का स्वरूप मानो। गुरु के समान नाही दूसरा जहां में। गुरु के समान नाही दूसरा जहां में। गुरु ब्रह्म रूप जानो, शिव का स्वरूप मानो। गुरु ब्रह्म रूप जानो, शिव का स्वरूप मानो। शिव का स्वरूप मानो, शिव का स्वरूप मानो। बोलिए सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
In our Shastras it is said, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwaraha. The Guru himself is Brahmaji, the Guru himself is Mahavishnu, and the Guru himself is Lord Shivji. Or Lord Shivji, Lord Mahavishnu, and Lord Brahmaji themselves manifest as our teachers. So how does this happen? The potential in us to learn any knowledge has to be present in us so that we can learn that knowledge. Music has to be in us so that the teacher can bring that knowledge out and make us sing. So too the ability to understand and manifest mathematics should be there in us so that the teacher can bring it out. But the potential alone is not enough. As Mahavishnu, the Lord brings that potential out by training us to tap into that potential, by training us to use that potential and manifest it in the world outside. So the ability to sing manifests, and thus I become a singer. At the same time, what happens is, in us there are many different blocks which prevents us from manifesting our potential. Sometimes it is laziness, lethargy. Sometimes it is being casual about what we have to do. Sometimes we are not inspired to do it. So all these negativities also have to be removed, and thus Lord Shiva becomes our Guru in the way of removing all these obstacles. So thus Brahmaji, Lord Shivji, and Mahavishnuji become our teachers. In the same way, the teacher does all these three roles. So the teacher becomes Brahmaji by bringing this knowledge to us. The teacher sustains the inspiration in us, gives us the ability by which we can manifest this knowledge, and the teacher also helps us remove our weaknesses by which this knowledge can shine. Thus the Guruji himself is Brahmaji, Mahavishnuji, and Lord Shivji, and the Lords themselves are our Gurus as well. What is the compassion of the master? There was a Zen master called Benkai who was a great teacher of meditation. He had so many disciples. But one among those disciples was found to have the habit of stealing. So one disciple came to Benkai and told him, this disciple has the quality of stealing. The master did not do anything about it. 4 more came to the master complaining about this stealing habit of that one disciple. Still the master didn't do anything. Finally, all the students got together and they wrote a letter to the master saying, if the master does not take any action against that student who was stealing, then they would all leave the monastery. The master called all of them and said, all you disciples are very knowledgeable because you know the difference between what is right and what is wrong. But that one disciple does not know the difference, and therefore he is stealing. He needs me more than you need me, and therefore he will stay with me in this monastery even if all of you are to leave. This is the compassion of the master, that the master even tolerates the limitations of the student and accepts the student so that the student can realize his or her own potential. At the same time, how should the student be? There was another Japanese master who was visited by a professor from the university. So as the professor sat down, the Zen master started pouring tea into his teacup. As he was pouring, the teacup filled, and yet the Zen master did not stop pouring. He continued pouring, and the teacup started overflowing. The professor said, "What are you doing? The cup is overflowing. It cannot hold anything more." So the Zen master looked at the professor and said, "So too with knowledge. If your head is full, you cannot learn, and thus come empty to the master, and then the master will fill you with knowledge." So on this Guru Purnima day, let us celebrate the compassion of the master, and at the same time, let us empty ourselves and present ourselves in front of the master so that the master can fill us with the greatest, the highest wisdom. This is what Pujya Gurudev, Pujya Shri Swami Tapovan Maharaj, Bhagavan Vedavyas Ji, Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya Ji gave to all of us. Let us invoke their blessings through this wonderful Nama Sankirtan by Ramesh sir.
गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय वेद व्यास सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय आदि शंकर सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय तपोवन सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय चिन्मयानंद सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय जय पर ब्रह्म सद्गुरु जय जय। बोलिए श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की।
In the beginning, we saw how this land is home to so many different knowledge systems and traditions which are indigenous to this land. And now we have our Chinmaya Vishwa Vidyapit University, which has a vision of reviving these knowledge traditions and combining them with the contemporary knowledge traditions of today. And what are we as a school doing in helping out in this great project? Over to Shanti Amma to present a report on the crowdfunding initiative taken by the alumni, staff and students of CIRS in the past month.
Hari Om children, it's been a joy to share with all of you, and I think I would take this opportunity to congratulate all of you. You're all aware that Chinmaya Mission has taken up this beautiful project of crowdfunding as the motto of the school, Jnanam Seva Cha Kaushalam. I'm so happy and excited to see so many of our children have taken up this service activity of collecting funds for this wonderful cause of establishing the university, as well as helping the needy schools and scholarship for children. I think I have to congratulate all of you on this beautiful Guru Purnima day. To just give you a statistics, we have about 300 children from CIRS have registered for it, and you will be surprised to know we have collected around 83.5 lakhs together for this fund already. And I really want to congratulate all of you for this wonderful initiative that you are all contributing to. It will go a long way. I have to make a special mention of our teachers. 10 of our teachers have also registered, and they are doing a campaign, and they have also contributed around 7.5 lakhs for this project. This is the true Yajna spirit that CIRS is demonstrating and showing it to the entire world outside. Thank you all so much, children. Keep going. Thank you.
Sadashiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. We salute the great lineage of the teachers, beginning with Bhagavan Lord Shivji himself, having the great Adi Shankaracharya ji, and ending with my own Guru, who connected me to that great Guru Parampara. So worship of our Guru, Pujya Gurudev, is the worship of the entire Guru Parampara. So thus, no worship of the Guru Parampara can be complete without the worship of our own Gurudev. So thus, as we end this Arati, as the climax of our worship, we perform the Arati of Pujya Gurudev. As we witness this Arati, let us join together and invoke the blessings of the entire Guru Parampara through Pujya Gurudev's blessings. Over to Ramesh sir for chanting and singing this beautiful Gurudev's Arati.
Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Arati Sri Chinmaya Sadguru ki Divya Rupa Murati Karuna ki. Arati Sadguru ki चरणों में उनके शांति समाए, शरणागत की भ्रांति मिटाए, पाप ताप संताप हरण की। आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। वेद उपनिषद गीता को गाया, धर्म सनातन फिर से जगाया, शुद्ध नीति प्रीति शंकर की। आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। सिद्धबाड़ी की तपोभूमि में नित्य विराजे गुरु हमारे। सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की, आरती सद्गुरु की। बोलिए श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
Thank you everyone for taking out your time today to celebrate Guru Purnima with all of us. As we go forward, let us take the spirit of this festival with us and increase our devotion to our Guru as we live our life and do our tasks every day. My gratitude to Swami Anukulanandji, Rajeshwari Didi and Ramesh sir for being with us throughout the event and making this festival possible. Special thanks to Shanti Amma for presenting that wonderful report on the humongous crowdfunding initiative which is taken up by the CIRS family. Once again, our special thanks to Arun Anna and Shashi Anna for being with us throughout the recording and making this celebration possible for all of us. Thank you once again. Hari Om.
ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्छते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। बोलो राधे 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 राधे। बोलिए श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
अनंत संसार समुद्र तार नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिदाभ्यां वैराग्य साम्राज्यद पूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां कवेत्ववाराशि निशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावां बुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानं रविपततीभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां।